Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make an email server with a VPS using UltaHost, Debian 12, FastPanel and Cloudflare. So you'll just need to have an UltaHost and a domain name on Namecheap. And let's start. Let's go to UltaHost. Okay, just go to hosting, VPS hosting, and scroll down. Okay, so UltaHost by default closes their port 25 for a monthly subscription. So in order to open port 25, you need to have at least an annual subscription of VPS Business and semi-annual for professional and a quarterly plan for a VPS Enterprise. Okay, I will be using a VPS Enterprise and just choose quarterly and choose your server location. I will be using Dallas and we will be using Debian 12, and we will not use control panel because we will be using FastPanel as our email server, and I don't need additional add-ons. And you just click continue and proceed to your payment. And in a few minutes, UltaHost will set up your VPS and you will be able to log into your control panel. Okay, I have logged into my control panel, and this is how your control panel looks like. And first, we need to contact UltaHost support that we will set our host name and reverse DNS. Okay, go to support and just open a ticket and just choose general server support and just tell them that you want to set your host name and reverse DNS to mail.yourdomain.com. in my case, mail.webshanks.shop, and wait for their response because the support is great. And while waiting for their response, we will set an A record for our domain and our host name. So I'll be going to Namecheap, and before anything else, if you want to buy a domain on Namecheap, be sure to choose .com, .ai, or .org, or .io, and do not purchase top-level domains like .xyz or .loans or anything that is not popular, because some ASPs banned these kind of top-level domains. And okay, let's go to our account. Okay, I will be managing this one. We will connect this DNS to our Cloudflare. So I have already connected this on Cloudflare. You can also use Namecheap basic DNS if you don't want to use Cloudflare, but I will be using Cloudflare for demonstration because DNS records can be clearly seen. So I'll be going to Cloudflare. Okay, I have already connected my domain on Cloudflare, so it will be easier for you to see the DNS records. And be sure to disable this proxy status, and be sure to add this on your Namecheap. So that will be your custom DNS. So that will be Kobe and Susan. Okay, so I have already set my subdomain mail, or this will be my host name, mail.webshanks.shop, as well as 2 A records for my domain name. And okay, let's go back to our UltaHost, and okay, be sure to send this one. I haven't I don't need to send this one because I have already set my hostname and rDNS on my UltaHost VPS. So I will be going to my services here. Okay, I have my Linux VPS Enterprise. So they already have opened my port 25 because I have bought a quarterly plan for VPS Enterprise, and I think it's fair because to avoid spammers. And okay, let's scroll down. Okay, be sure to check your host name. So my host name is already registered, and this is my IP. Okay, I'll just check this if this IP is clean. I'll go to MX Toolbox. Okay, I'll just paste it here. Okay, our IP is super clean. Okay, let's go back to our VPS, and okay, you've seen this hostname right here and a password. So now let's connect to our server. So I will be using a free SSH client called Bitwise, and run your Bitwise. Okay, so beside host, you need to put your IPv4 and use port 22. And for initial login, we need to use root. So for advanced user, you may need to generate SSH keys to log into your server securely. And okay, I'll be just clicking this login. Click accept and save. Okay, your password is here. So just copy this one, paste it here, and hit OK. And now let's click new terminal console. Okay, perfect. We are now on our Debian server on UltaHost VPS. So let's start by updating our server packages. Okay, I will be putting the commands right here so that you can follow. Okay, just copy this one and right click, hit enter. And now we will install FastPanel. Okay, paste it here and hit enter. And wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. Okay, we have finished installing FastPanel. We will access our FastPanel using this IP address at port 8888. Okay, I'll just paste it here. Okay, just click advanced and just click accept the risk and continue. Okay, we need to have a license for our FastPanel, and don't worry, it is absolutely free. Okay, enter your email address and click request the license. Okay, let's go to our email and check our activation link. Okay, great. Just click this one and click this link to activate your license. Just click OK. Okay, your login credentials is located in your email. Okay, just copy your email and your password. And go to license FastPanel. Okay, add to cart and enter your server IP address. Let's go back to our VPS. Copy our IPv4 and paste it here, and just click checkout and submit order. So this is absolutely free. And go to my services, and here you can check your license. And let's go to our FastPanel. Let's check the status. Okay, great. So okay, your FastPanel login credentials is on your terminal console. Okay, it'll be fast user, and this is your password. Yeah, just highlight this one, paste it here, also the password. Okay, let's enter an email. Okay, this should be an existing one, and just click save. Okay, we'll accept the license agreement. Okay, just accept. Okay, great. Next, we will not use this IP address to access our FastPanel. So we need a subdomain, or a domain rather than a subdomain, and let's connect to port 8888, and go to these 3 lines here, go to settings, go to main, and go to panel addresses and add address. Okay, we will use our top level domain, webchunks.shop, and let's save. Next, we will issue an SSL. So just click SSL and be sure to choose Let's Encrypt, and just click save. Okay, perfect. And let's use this to access our FastPanel. So just click this one. Now we are using a secure HTTP, and we just access our FastPanel using our domain. So let's log in. Okay, let's go back to our, copy this one. Okay, just highlight the password and click login. Okay, great. Okay, I'll just close this one. Next, we will create a site. So in your dashboard, just go to create site. I'll choose a CMS, and I will use webchunks.shop, and be sure to click create email domain. Okay, there's no other option for a DNS account. Just click next step, and be sure to save this login credentials so that you can log into your WordPress admin. And if you want to send these credentials to your email, just check this box right here. So I just click next step, and I will not create a user for now, but I will use the admin user. So just click next step. Okay, great. Let's go to site card, and we will issue an SSL for our domain. Go to SSL certificates, click new certificate, and I'll be using 2048 key length because it is faster, and be sure to choose Let's Encrypt. Okay, I'll just click Save. Next, we will map our DNS. Okay, let's go back to Control Panel, and okay, I'll just leave this one for a moment, and let's go to our DNS provider. Okay, so you need an MX record and a text record for SPF, DMARC, and DKIM. And let's map our MX record first. Okay, so let's create an MX record. So for the name, it will be our domain, and our content will be our mail host name. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Let's go back. So that will be MX record. Okay, just use @ for the root domain, and just choose auto for TTL or time to live. For priority, just put 10, and just click Save. Okay, for SPF, okay, we need a text record for our domain, and just copy this IP. So by the way, my IP has changed. It is not this one, but I'll just copy this one for your reference. So okay, create a text record for @domain, and your content. So I'll just change this IP. Okay, copy this one. Okay, just click Save. And for DMARC, okay, so the value is _DMARC, and the content is 1. So I'll just copy this one. So we will add a text record. Okay, that will be _DMARC, and paste the content right here, and just click Save. And for our DKIM, we will go back to our FastPanel. So let's go to our sidecar. Let's go to Mail, and click this DKIM. Okay, so our name is here, DKIM._domain key. So let's create a text record. Be another text record, and paste your name here, and copy your content. So paste it here. Okay, now we are all set, and we will just wait for a few minutes for the DNS records to propagate. Okay, next we will create an inbox to send an email. So let's go back to our FastPanel. We'll just close this one and just click Mailboxes. Okay, just go to New Mailbox. Okay, I will, okay, for instance, Drew. So don't add another at your domain, so it will just create your email domain. Okay, we'll generate a password. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Okay, I'll just paste this somewhere else. Okay, I'll just set to 0 for unlimited quota. Okay, that's it. So just click Save. Okay, now let's access our webmail. So we'll be using Roundcube. Click Roundcube. Okay, I will use my newly created inbox. Okay, I'll just paste the password here and hit login. Okay, now let's go to mail tester to test our deliverability. Okay, I will just go to mail tester. Okay, I'll copy this email and let's go back to Roundcube and let's compose. Okay, I will be using a text email template. Okay, I'll use this one. So why text? Because it is the best practice, especially if you are sending cold emails. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Okay, let's send. Okay, good. Let's go to mail tester and let's check our score. And we got a 10/10 score. So I'll just show you the email I've created. And so for our spam assassin likes us and our authentications are all green. So let's try to send an email to Gmail and ProtonMail. Okay, let's compose another email. Okay, let's send to our Gmail and ProtonMail. I will use the same email template. Okay, let's copy this one and let's send. Let's go to our Gmail. Okay, we have received this directly on our inbox. Okay, let's try to reply. Okay, this looks amazing. Okay, and let's check if we have received the reply. Okay, great. We have received the reply. Let's go to ProtonMail. Okay, we have received the email from our email server. And for setting up email clients, we will use Thunderbird, and I'll show you how to configure your email clients. So just run your Thunderbird and enter your email address and enter your password. Click continue. Okay, perfect. So I will show you what protocols to use. Okay, so for our IMAP, you need to use port 993. And use SSL for authentication. And just use a normal password. So for our outgoing server, use 587. And for your connection, use start TLS. Okay, this is how you will configure your email clients. So just click done. Okay, just confirm this one. Okay, good. Just click finish and let's go to inbox. And as you can see, you can view the emails from your email client. It's actually syncing with our Roundcube webmail. So that's it. If you have any questions, just comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on my next video.